Hey there, welcome to step 7, convert prospects to members. Let me go ahead and make sure I have, can you see that? Yeah, there we go, I'm pointing out. I can change it to yellow, or yeah, white looks good. So number 1, we're going to talk about our about page. So you want to craft a persuasive sales page with SKOOL, and that is your about page. Your about page is the presentation. That's where you're leading everybody to from social media and bringing them over to your about page, so then they can sign up and go into your group. And you want it to be persuasive. You want to give them an appetizer, a taste for what the rest of the meal is, right? So you can do that by highlighting benefits and value propositions. What's the value that you're providing? And it's recommended to put in 2 videos, and one's a welcome video, another one's a tour video. Include images of your classroom as an insider, so they know what's inside, what they're going to get. It's a little appetizer to taste test. Use testimonials and case studies, and include a clear call to action. Join the group. Press the button, subscribe to the group, and then whatever it is that you're asking. So when you join the group, you'll be answering 3 questions. I want to go ahead and invite you to present yourself in the comment section. Tell us where you're from, what your goals are. Just a clear call to action. Let them know what you want them to do. Join the group and follow the steps to join your group. And then make sure you do your research. Look around SKOOL. You can find others in your niche that have a similar niche. You can take notes and get inspiration. Pay attention to the wording and the message that they're using, and pick a model or a person that inspires you and that also has like a smooth transition where they're talking to you and you watch it and you're like, I want to be part of that group. I want to subscribe, because you want to give that same feel on yours. Be original. You can get inspiration, but do not copy anyone. That's not ethical. That's not right. Okay, so here are some examples. I chose High Ticket Academy because it's making money online too. Here, the introduction says, learn how to become a wealth creator and grow your high ticket business from 10K to 20K a month using the legacy model. See, they have 3 videos and just a picture of this. And then it lists all the things that they're bringing that are part of it. First of all, you can try it 14 days free, money back guarantee. You get an exclusive one-on-one VIP with the group administrator. Join now and then that's creating urgency. If you join now, where you lock in the price, which is $97 a month, the price will be going up. And then value proposition here, they're telling you how much it normally costs. It's $5,000 for this, $3,000 for that. So you're getting all this value for $97 a month, and if you get it now before the price increases, so that's a very big call to action, saying join now before the price increases. This is a really good example, a good setup. Creates urgency. It shows the value that they're getting for the amount of money that they're getting, and that it's changing soon. Here's another one. So join the group. This is a free group, and so it tells you what you're learning. You can learn to do this remotely, and you can make 3,000 to 10,000 euros a month. Teaches you about softwares 2 times and telling you what they're going to give you and what it's worth. Usually around $1,000 a month, 2 live coaching calls a week, step-by-step training, buyer-seller contracts. So you have access to, that's probably a PDF download that you can get contracts. You don't have to, they're already made for you. So it's a tool and resource, 24/7 community access, and do deals with us, promote your properties for up to 50,000 cash buyers list and get paid. So you can start making money, getting leads for them. And once they close, then you get commission. So not only is it learn to make, but you're actually making money in there too. And this group too is it's an OnlyFans management company. I didn't know that was a thing, but it was interesting. And this is also a free group. I guess you pay for certain parts of it, but the way it's set up is really good. So they didn't have a video, but these folks have a video, and they have images of the group and what you can access in the community. Also, it lists like exclusive training content, the strategies that are proven, Q&A questions. This is the live Zooms that they're having. They are worded differently depending. For example, here it's 2 times live Zoom. Here it's a periodic Q&A session. And then bonus and entrepreneurial community of like-minded individuals. See, they pointed that out, but we know that SKOOL does that. When you make your community, you're going to have everybody that has the same interest, that are doing the same thing, whether it's a hobby, whether it's an entrepreneurial pursuit. They're in the room having the same problems, thinking about the same things. And so they made it a point to bring it up. Obviously, if you're going in there kind of shopping around, thinking about it, or you're interested, that might slip your mind that, wow, I'm going into a community of people that have the same obstacles and that have been through stuff, that are going through it at the same time, or maybe ahead of me or a little bit behind, and we could all help each other. It's not only the course and the information that Eli is bringing to the table and walking us through and answering our questions, but in reality, the community serves as a 24/7 support. So that's really good that they brought that up and they pointed that out. I thought that was interesting. So use these to showcase value. You can, your social media post, the lives, post content with actionable tips, clear call to action. You can use this to put in your group. All your social media posts, you can reuse your content because you're going to be talking about what you have in the group. You can be doing a walkthrough, tutorial, and you record it. You do the live on your social media, and you put it in your community. Workshops, plan and schedule informative workshops. You can do a specific task to be completed together. For example, let's say you teach people how to create wedding invitations on Canva, right? And so you could just do one workshop where like it's $99 and you can learn how to do gold lettering using Canva, and we're allowing only 20 people, so I can walk you through. We can share screens, so you can do a very specific one task depending on what it is you're teaching on Skool. That is actionable and a clear call to action. So make sure you tell people it's a limited amount of time, it's a limited amount of space, and so that gets your workshops going. People will be super satisfied because they get an A to B solution. This person knows now how to make wedding invitations with gold and silver lettering, which are special effects that they have to work on and to learn. So make sure like a clear call to action, and it's something that they'll get something out of it immediately. Offer deals and promotions, create and craft offers and promotions. Free Skool group is part of the incentive, and clear call to action. So offers and promotion, my mentor did a really good offer where we're creating content when we're creating these groups, right? So he did a workshop where I guess he was teaching people how to edit or come in to start creating their content. And so the workshop was $199, but it included your tripod and your microphone set and a light. You know, if you go online and get that at Amazon, that's $100. So that's a lot of value. In reality, it's only costing you $99 to do this workshop to know how to edit your videos for your content, but you're getting equipment with it. So that's a very creative offer and promotion that he did. I plan on offering something like that down the line. I'm excited about that. And then Free Skool group is part of the incentive. So that's part of the value. So if they're coming into the community and they're getting it for free, you know, that's a good thing to pull people in to be prospects for your paid workshops or prospects for your paid community. So the workshops, it's one-on-one for that minute they're getting from A to B, and your paid group is more you interacting with them and more, not hand-holding because you are hand-holding, but they get more of you to answer more questions. Where in the free group, they might get you once a week, and it's a lot of people, versus the paid group, you have a reduced amount of number and you can do it 2 to 3 times a week, and they can catch up with you and ask questions. And make a clear call to action. Join my group. Subscribe. You know, don't be afraid or ashamed to call. People need to know, because a lot of people watch your content. They're like, what do they want me to do? And that goes the same when you're creating your content. Ask people for engagement. Ask people for follows. Ask people for subscriptions. It's not a big deal. They're here watching you. They watched all the way through. So make sure you don't forget your call to action. Implement follow-up strategies. So if you're doing an email sequence, which you can do with Skool really well, every 72 hours. Every time you post something, share it and make a comment about it with Skool. So, hey, did y'all miss out on this training? I have this training coming up. How are you going with your training? What's going on? You know what I mean? And number 2, maintain engagement in the community, like re-engagement and retargeting ads. So go ahead and ask questions again, create polls, and retarget ads to your specific group, people in your group. So your community is large. Let's say people, every once in a while, you kind of go through it, and so you ask for re-engagement. So people are starting, so ask questions and upload information about when they're starting. For people in the middle, you start reposting your content and asking for re-engagement for where are they standing in the middle. Somebody's at the end of the course, if they have any questions, and what the next steps they need to start taking. So you know where your people are, and you target them at different times to remind them to keep going and to get more people. Offer limited time promotions to prompt action. Use limited time space for workshops or promotion. Limit your workshops. If you only cater for 20 people, that doesn't mean you limit the amount of workshops. It's just it creates an urgency so your workshops are always full of people. Also, limited amount of time. So let's say your course is $1,000 annually, but that's going to end. That promotion will end in January. So you'll get an influx of however many people sign up for that price, and then you can run another promotion down the line, but it converts people over. It really helps when you do use limited time or a limited space.